True Perfection offers a complete, easy-to-follow skincare routine that helps women to achieve perfect-looking skin despite the negative influences of a hectic lifestyle. To make the most of your skin, start by following our specific True Perfection routine. Start off your routine by using a cleanser, then toner, to remove makeup and impurities. Since the skin around the eyes is much more delicate than other facial areas, it requires extra special attention. The True Perfection Illuminating Eye Cream is the perfect product to hydrate the eye area, target dark circles and eye puffiness, and first expression lines. Its rollerball massager provides an added cooling and refreshing sensation. Then apply the True Perfection Miracle Perfecting Serum on cleansed skin for immediate improvement in skin radiance thanks to its Instant Glow Complex. In fact, 95% of women in a clinical study showed instantly improved radiance. In 2 weeks, the serum helps to create a smoother skin texture, more even skin tone, and a healthier skin. Apply the True Perfection Perfecting Day Moisturizer on top of the serum to hydrate the skin. It also improves skin tone, smooths skin texture, and adds healthy radiance while preventing skin aging. Before bed, apply True Perfection Renewing Night Care to deeply moisturize your skin and to wake up looking well rested. This cream contains glycolic acid, which promotes cell turnover while smoothing out skin texture and first expression lines. Just follow this complete routine for improved radiance, skin tone and texture, giving you perfect skin.